Sibongelanga siphelela kanjani lonke lilalele emhlabeni lonke jikeleleke lapha sitholakala ke ku YouTube asekho ku Facebook igama wezachisa sihamba ke lo Klein Mathelela emfana kanyoni ke sonke lapha ke sisuka konto zathunqa siyabona ababhalayo share the page ezachisa ku YouTube lapana sibana ushare link utshela abantu ukuthi sithola nga ngoba lapha sihamba kone ezitradeni siyabuza ukuthi ungisakhumbula uphuma nga kuma ku YouTube emqalisi ziwa namhlanje ngiSusan Munyoro uthi ke ngithemba ke uyangazi mina ke labantu abaningi abangaziyo ngokomnyoro into khona mfunde ehlathi lapha engifunde khona ngo2010 siya u14 engiqede ntatha ama results khona ngasuka lapho ke waba umuntu ozimiseleyo enkonzweni echurch bekuma youth khona phana ke echurch kwathi ke lapha nasambe kwenye conference upastor dash wanithatha wathi ke siyedingela ukudla abanye abantwana ama youth basuka la siyathenga ke ukudla othese endleni wangitshela ukuthi ke mina ubona konguye umuntu engiphiwe nguNkulunkulu ngakho ufuna ukunithatha bengumfazi wakhe kodwa ke lo pastor belomfazi esimazile church waziwayo kwahlala kunjalo ke kwabuyela ngelanga lesibili sabuyela futhi uthe kunjalo ke wangincenga ngaze acabanga ukuthi umuntu lo njalo ke khuluma ethandaza kangaka maybe perhaps uNkulunkulu I was so into church uma lisayachisa ngibelieve kuNkulunkulu ngathi into yonke buya ngopastor kuthi kutsho uNkulunkulu wagcina ke ngithathe siyabhuka kwindawo lala lami wangibisela ngale ku conference ngithe mfika kwalaphana e conference bengibhare blind ngisithutha nganomu delight wazwambuza ukuthi kethi uhamba njani ngamtshela ukuthi bela sefuna ungena ke kuma periods kwahlala kunjalo pastor wethu uyathi umfazi wakhe ngabona ke beqhwela phambili echurch bephiwa izicoco zokuthi bathandana kakhulu bebambana lo mayimfundisi uthe ngoyo isikhathi waphinda wazomphendulala lami into le yangihlupha chisa ngoba inteze ngimlanda ukuthi ke manje uhamba njani wanje uthi ngichane laye into le yangidabula kakhulu end up quitting the church ngise South Africa kwamanje I feel I was used and abused by this pastor hliziyo yami uhlungu I hate churches I hate abantwana manga abafundisi abakhona is truth from the Bible abafundisi bamanga uyakhala ke intombazana lapha ke hayi badla kuthiwa ingwe idla ngamabala mankazana ungabona umuntu othanda ukuthembisa izulu lomhlaba ungabelieve into enjalo sewuthembisa lo sewuthembisa hayi ungangithi zayana umfazi wami akulanto enjengana le ungaqanjelwa amanga vukani ke bosisi lephaphame hayi nje udlelwa nje amahala pho udlelwa kabuhlungu uphinde ulahlo sitshezwe njenge toilet haya sebenza uthe una ngicela nyezi ingoma ezilandelayo mana ke sibona ukuthi singakutholela kuzingoma othe uyazithanda sibona sikudobhela yephi laphana ukhethakhethile mbona ke ngithathe ke yena lana uTsamandebele uthi Oskido but wabhala church groups angilaye lapha uruchalele uTsamandebele yamba lo Candy Kwenza bring on the best ngoma ke mnandi vela uKhendelo Oskid ngoma ethi Tsamandebele Tsamathebele. Yeah, hlelo ngisakhumbula sitshela kuSusan Munyoro owenziwa kube ke ngupastor wasitika upastor walahla umntwana wamqedela umntwana wakhe. Yeke nangibambe ke vela ke Martin Akimbole. Greetings Martin Akimbole. I hope I find you well, say Ezra. My name is Martin Akimbole from Nigeria. I love this show despite I don't understand the language. My friend always interprets some stories from you, but I decided to approach you, perhaps that you can help me find my beautiful lady called Cindy Mpofu. Yeah, Mpofu, M-P-H-O. I think Mpofu. Yeah, Mpofu. Martin Mpofu. Say Mpofu. They're gonna Mpofu. Right. Martin says that I was in London here. I met Cindy Mpofu, a beautiful lady from Zimbabwe. We hit it straight away when we met at Elephant and Castle in London. We went for dinner together. I have a wife in Nigeria, so Cindy was like my wife. I managed to rent a place for Cindy in southeast London. And then I was into my business. I managed to do a business where I was hiding my money. Sometimes I'll keep it with Cindy. I gave Cindy £40,000 to keep for safekeeping after I did my business, which you didn't explain which business is that. Then I was arrested by the cops in 2014. Then he finally convicted and jailed. I stayed in prison for 7 years. Cindy on the first days used to visit me in jail, and Cindy would tell me that the man is still safe. Afterwards, when Cindy heard that my parole might be coming out, Cindy didn't turn up to see me at the prison. When finally I was released, I went to look where Cindy was, where I was rented. They told me Cindy left a year ago. I checked with a friend, they say they don't know where Cindy is. Until one lady told me that Cindy fled to United Kingdom, is somewhere in South Africa or Zimbabwe. I am really in pain. It was £40,000, which was my investment, and I thought I would do a lot, so Cindy disappeared. Up to today, I'm still very angry with Cindy. That's the day I'll never forget, mister. If you can help me, if you want photos of Cindy, I can send them to you. I don't need photos. We are reading stories. Martin Akimbole was screwed of all that money by Cindy. Depends where you got it, Martin. They let me play you. He said she was your queen. She was your African queen. Cindy. Tingomugolia khala mama lithi ke ungaphi. Wathatha imali yokuwadla. Cindy Mpofu.
The only one I ever see with a smile so bright, and Just yesterday, you came around my way. You changed my horse in way with your astonishing beauty. Oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. And no, brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, you are my African queen. Oh, Lord, ooh, Lord. Out of a million, you stand as one, the outstanding one. I look into your eyes, girl, what I see is paradise. Hey, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. Now I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place, you cannot take your space. That is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile, make me float like a boat upon the Nile. Girl, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Yeah, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, you are my African queen, and I know, oh yes I know. You are my African queen, and I know. See I know what I am feeling in my heart and in my soul. Oh, I know that it's this love, and I know that this love was surely sent from up above. Cause you're the only one that I think of. You are my African queen, and I know that it means that you're the only one that I will serve. I'll give you my heart, my love.
Yes, Martin Akimbole, all the way from United Kingdom. You are from Lagos in Nigeria. Sorry, Cindy Bofu. Hopefully, if Cindy listen, their car it is crying. This one is crying. Say, "Ah, Cindy, 40,000 was too much, baby. Return some money." But it's been long, my man. I don't think it's got that money now. I think there's done some investment herself. Yeah, but anyway, until you're saying you stay together. You rented one room for her, and Pep said, "Oh, this is my husband's things. Let me just chew the money." It's unfortunate. Yes, Togo Ncube, kunjani Togo? Chisa siyakubingelela umsaka kaNkulunkulu thina njengemuli siba hlanu kubaba. Mina yimo wesithathu Togo Ncube ngile 38 years. Ubhuti wami ule 40, omnyisisi wami ule 44, umna wami laba abanye le 33 le 31. Silo baba lokho saphila ubaba siyamthanda, is our dad, a very loving old man. He's now 78 years old, and ubaba usenzele izimanga chisa. I don't know what kwenzakaleni during the COVID time. Ubaba suddenly seyise lo mfazi ekhaya. Sabuza ukuthi baba kade usuguquka ngakho umfazi at 78. Ubaba sathola ukuthi uloku umntwana okule 23 years asokuhlala ngikhaya. Ubaba ukuthi ubonakala ezitolo ehamba la komntwana chisa umntwana omncane lengane ilast born ka baba umdala kulaye, and then the other granddaughter ka baba umdala kulaye, labanye abantwana abazulu. Udedi kazwisisi nxa sithi siyamtshela sibuyelile njengemuli ngo-2022 Christmas time kaKhumalayo, wathi nxa befuna asifungele ijoy lokuthi azibuphele sixoxe ke umfazi wakhe. This girl chisa ule 23 is so immature, and uyambona nxa ebamba udedi ukuthi ubona ngani ubamba umfana umuntu omdala lwana uzamfela kwelinango laphana uza kuthini yebo ngabe jengisa uthando because in front of her eyes uyabamba udede ngesandla emgona lokho engani uyamqabutha phambi kwakhe sile video where dad was standing etweka phambi kwadede bambana we are so embarrassed ekhaya khona ngale mina ngithe ngcono ngasabuyele ngoba inhliziyo yami buhlungu I thought of beating that girl ngaphinda ngazikhuza wena sport ke uthi ubaba uyamthanda yini indawo ungayidinga umsebenzi egoli njengabantwana she refused wathi useka Florence ngiyamthanda meaning my sister this girl is so stupid she's calls me ubaba uthi useka Florence indoda yami umama mlabalele khona is turning in her grave ukuthola umntwana ongaka and then the goal baba babhode nxa besiyagayisa bamba bethuba bechayela inqola yena umntwana ehlezi phakathi kwenqola baba behamba ngenyawo echithisa umdala sesehlulekile njengemuli sabiza ke obaba abancane labanye omakhelwane bakhumelayo basitshela ukuthi kumele simekele ubaba is old age ungambona vele lawo uzathi no chala nomntwana I don't know what they do. I don't want to talk about their sexual life because I don't know. But ibalala bonke ulala embhedeni kamama. Thina uyembarrass thina nje abantwana sicabanga ukuthi singasabuyeli ekhaya. So into yenzakale ngoDecember sibona lo mntwana isethusile and we know ama ex alwana and abanye abantu bathi is cheating on my dad. What should I do? Osiyami indaba enzima ke le bakwethu. Ubudala udlela ubhobho okupukululu kwakhe ohoncane khala kamzimba ukuthi awucakile kuncane la mdala sazi ke mama ukuthi senze njani wesishosholoze nje utsho wakho baba nangubizele usola Thoko Ncube ubaba kasawubamba umtshina ubaba usethandweni bakithi 23-year-old kuthi kanti ke ubaba is 78 years what's the age difference number 55 madoda kwakuhleke lokho khona baba asasi mikeleni baba uzabona uzakhula shosholoza uzola
wherever they take me, so spuyela. Where you fall, so kibela. Noma ungazamu ukungifimela, hit and run njengestimela. Awufala amahlebe, ngizomemeza, ngindesele, ngizosikhupula. Noma ungangishiya, ngizosifikela. Noma ungafala, ngizosivulela. Wherever they take me, so spuyela. Where you fall, so kibela. Noma ungazamu ukungifimela, hit and run njengestimela. No matter what they say to me, no matter what they do to me, so shosholoza, shosholoza, so shosholoza, shosholoza. No matter what they say to me, no matter what they do to me, so shosholoza, shosholoza, so shosholoza, shosholoza, so shosholoza, shosholoza. Unalaba mhlolo ufitshini nanginomzali usesitosini kuleyo mahosho sesitraktini sesipilisiwe msebenzini usimolo ulale ekatbosini umntana udlele ekatbosini ukokufele empeshenini.
Let us pray. Jehova ngomelusi wami angeke uswela lutho yangiholela amadleni alihlaza nasemanzini okuphumula noma ngihamba esigodini sethunzi lokufa
ngizoshosholoza shosholoza ngizoshosholoza shosholoza ngizoshosholoza
ye utsho njalo ke uThoko Ncube uthi umntwana lo uthule isisu ngesikababa doesn't believe ukuthi isisu ngesikababa ethi 23 hey indoda iyazala phela 100 iyazala ubaba ngeza wase Chinese ngezale khona futhi ngesosa asazi njalo umntwana kosokulesi sokuthwele isisika baba ubaba uNcube seka Florence ngibuyalalela lapha batshela abantwana ukuthi ngunina wabo lo bamhloniphe unina wabo 23 2000 hey mdalo rongo hayi khona yey mana siwale evela ku Clopas Nyamayaro nyawubingelela kunjani Clopas Nyamayaro mina ke ngikhulele Harare kodwa ngasembiya koBulawa sengilama 22 years ngifike koBulawa lapha ngahlala ngihambiswe ngubaba ukuthi ngizosebenza ngubaba wayesebenza Midland Security as a guard kodwa wamanage ukungenisa kwenye shop ema biscuits lapha koBulawayo ngasenza ama biscuits ngasebenza ke kunjalo ngoBulawayo kumnandi kwaze ukuthi umnyaka ke ka 2006 into zenansi sibheda lapha ekhaya kwaba nzima kakhulu ke sithe sisemsebenzini khona phana lapha sisenza khona bese siqalisa ukuthi sitshontshe sikhiphe ngoba kwakungekho ukuthengiswayo sokuluthwana then wasengizocina ke kulo manager ekhona lapho omama manager ukhona wathi waxolela sengibambile sakhuluma umanager lona sazwana wacina ke sevuma ukuthi ke sithandana kwasokuthi kwenilanga eofisini yakhe mini khona phana ngabo 3 abantu bengani bachaza ngeFriday sabe silalana khona phana uthe kunjalo kwabuya umuntu wemini resources uthi esivalo sichaya kokoda umuntu wahlaba umkhosi umama lo wathi nanga umuntu engirepa bangena ngoba necompany bathola ngagqokanga la engagqokanga ngazama uexplain ukuthi no there was nothing we are in love but kungapho just kuyathandana kwangela proof kodwa umama lo uyangisedusayo chisa ngimrephanga ngachaya ngabafana abanye khona phana ecompany ngabezela amapolisa ngabotshwa ngasiwe central from central ngasa ku Grey ngabuya ngicina sengigwetshwe 9 years for rape engayenza into lenza ubuhlungu ngahlala ke kama ubaba wambuza ukuthi bekutheni ngize ngirepe umuntu this woman resource manager manager lo we resources la wahlaba ngufakazi ecourt kodwa lo manager ekhona wathi mina ngimbambe ngenkani ngibuye ngizokuza imali ngisa expect imali ngamdumela and it was me against them. I had nothing to prove ukuthi I didn't do it ngoba bathola singaqokanga sonke kwathiwa ke bamthethe umamalwana ngoba wayele ndoda wamsesibhedlela discover ukuthi yes wenzile sex and all that. We're not even protecting, so that's why they believed me, they believed them more than me. So chisa umnyaka lana soze ngafaka ukhohlwa 2006 ngize ngaphuma ngizaphuma ngo-2013 khona ngale ngivalele ngingenzanga lutho yimi uClopas Nyamayaro inhliziyo yami buhlungu kakhulu ngafela amafufu umama lo nyamdinga la kaThesa head ukuthi wahamba overseas. Hey hayi mana ngutshela ingoma eqelele Clopas Nyamayaro wathethwa ya uyinkosi thandaza abantu ukuthandazela mfana kethi thandaza Clopas Nyamayaro nawe silindile lethu uyinkosi.
Baba,
Usindile kuchandela besithi uyinkosi bayethe ngonyama sitsheleke uClobus nyama yaro wangena ejele ngenzanga lutho sorry Klo uhlelo ngisakhumbula bhala nini sibuye ke incwadi zenu ngokuphangisa esibuye ngapha sizivale nangu Patience Dube kunjani Pheshiya siyakubikelela uthi ngibiza Pheshi. Ngiyabonga ngohlelo siyalithanda mina lemuli yami Kanyolo sekabantwana ngifuna ukubala incwadi le ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi uyabelalela thisa silo mshado wethu bese silo mshado wethu angazi ukuthi utsho silo mshado wethu ole 14 years okay what is elishadise leminyaka 14 lishadile correct. Sesishadile lapha ke ubaba bengumuntu olungile kakhulu washada lami ethi ele 30 mina ngile 22 sizwanana kakhulu konke kusihambela kahle ekhaya into enhluphayo mina ke lapha mfana kaSibanda ukuthi ubaba sithethe sengikhaya ilove lana ekhona kayisekho ubaba isikhathi esiningi yebo kambe lami asomuntu who is really obsessed with sex. Though I don't mind doing it 3-4 times a month, it's fine. But ubaba olomkhubo ukuthi uyenze izinto I don't know likubiza lithi yini nxa ebamba his manhood edlalisa yena ebengakwazi ukuthi ngimkhangele I sleep there ngizenze ngileleyo ngiyamuza ukuthi uyanyikinyika eceleni kwami esenza lokho okuthiwa sasikuza singabantwana ukuthi masturbation ibhonya sometimes azagomele ebongolile ngase kuye I'll be next to him so every time maybe after every 2 days uyayenza khonoko I sleep naked, I sleep ngagqwanga lutho ngizama ukuthi vele maybe uzaba attracted to me. I don't know whether I'm no longer attractive to him ngathi sithi siyayenza mhla when we are doing it ethabile, especially when it takes wine uyabuye ethabile sibili engani uyangikhisa siyayenza once nje engani uya right on me then that thing uyathola soft sesehle ukuthi ayingenise ekuhle. This is someone who is 44 years old. Chisa is not somebody who is old. Iyasi soft ingazangeni eqinekelile kona, but sometimes nxa sesenza master better. Do you think there is sort of witchcraft kukhona, or is sleeping with abanye abantu, or perhaps is imagining another woman on top of me? So this year on February 1 I ended up talking to my aunties akhe and all that, utwambuza njani ukuthi uhamba njani, and wabatshela manga wathi no, we are cool, uyandithanda, and they will do it. So mina Chisa, I don't want to be seen to be a woman who is complaining and demanding sex. Ngaka yenza into leyenza masturbation, I won't care, sizilalele nje as a soulmate. I'm not cheating on him and I will never do it, but kumele amphumele egcekeni. Ulalele lapha ke uthi umqambe ibizo Patience nguye ke othe ngubize Pheshi. Yena mana ngumbize Tumi, aso ngiqambe isibo sakho ndoda zama. Kanti kwenzakala noacha khona umfazi eduze. Kanti laba bachaya ithalaza laba uthi umfazi yabe ngeke eduze. Uyabuma jini ubani njana ekhola beceleni mama. Uthi ngutshele ngukhuze, ngiyakukhuza ndoda. Yekela ukudlala ngepipi yakho lokuthento zakho. Khona uthethe emfazini. Ayivukele umfazi. Ayivukele into lala kangaka ezani kanti. Hawu. Hey man, ungenze njalo man. Hawu umfazi wakhala kabuhlungu kangaka. Ungaqali ndakutshalela ingoma la nxa mama angakhetha ingoma ngikutshalela into encane la nxa encane ivuse 206. siyitshale-ke upheshi simphuzile ubaba ukuthi-ke hhayi into le-ke ayizama ukuthi iphakame ingaphakami nxa siyachala kodwa ayithalaza kuphela ayivuke kokuphela and lapha ngiyatshelwa ngomathele ukuthi into lezi mntazi ungazijwayela uthanda ukuzenza siqiza ziyi-addictions usuba lokhu yispirit okubi okulandelayo okufuna ukuthi uhlale utshale into nxa ulalele hayi zama Dumi ukuthi-ke uzama ukhweza amasokisi baba khweza amasokisi chaya asithi uchaza uzongachaka vele kanye ngeviki ngokutsho kwakho sisi uthi kala ndaba la kodwa angafuniwe ukuthi ezomphetha uthi shoko kanti yazisebenza ngesandla wena hayi tshela lapho lo yeah kodwa-ke mbaleki Edson Moyo unjani Edson Moyo ngiyakubingelela-ke namhlanje yebo kambe mina ngidabuka-ke ngase-Plumtree Chisa ngubaba wale 55 kuthe lapha iminyaka engikhumbulayo umnyaka ka-1999 ekhaya lapho kwakufe ubaba wasitshiya ubaba-ke watshiya-ke izimali zakhe ezithe xaxa ngakho-ke umama walungisa wathi hayi bantwana kumele nginike into zikayihlo wanika umfowethu inkomo ezimbili mina njengomdala nganikwe ezingu-5 wanika labo dadewethu labo imbiza le nkomo wazathi yena-ke uzathatha-ke imali ayiphiwe emsebenzini kababa ngasesikhathi imali le ayiphiwe ibiyimali-ke eningana ukuthi kwakuyimali engange-55,000 rands wayiphiwa-ke ilamsam wayigcina-ke ekhaya-ke umama babuyelayo kodwa ngafikela ngomoya kasathane ngabuya-ke lapho umama ngangimbona ukuthi uyivundeke ngabe imali wayefakile-ke ebedroom yakhe wayithatha wayifaka phezulu etshanini lapha ayifihle khona umuntu omdala ngayithontshake leyo mali yonke andishiyanga lutho sengihamba lapha engiyakhona emzini wami wakhala usalukazi esibiza sonke ukuthi utshontshelwe imali ngaqinisa ikhanda umfana wayeselusa watshaywa sambophisa amapholisa engenzanga lutho ngisazi ukuthi imali ngithethe wagcina-ke umfana lwana-ke amapholisa eswele ubufakazi amekela sathe samxotsha umama into le kaphindanga wasila wagula kakhulu ecabanga imali leyo lami usathane wathi ayiqinisela leyo mali enyathi ngibisele enyathi qinisela leyo mali ngahlala-ke kwangena-ke u-2000 umama laye walandela washona ngoMeyi kuthe kunjalo-ke umama eshonile ngadabuka kakhulu kodwa ngangibisele leyo mali ngihlalile kunjalo isikhathi Chisa kuthe kusiyangena 2002 laphana into zama zabanga kuhle kwaphela yonke into ngathola nzima ngaze ngabuya lapha-ke eSouth Africa mina ngangilento zami kodwa kangilali lutho lakathesi ngithanda ukuthi ngixolise kumama lapha lele khona ngiyahambela ethuleni lakhe ngizama ukuyaxolisa ngiyinto leke ngizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu into engayenza kumama ungixolele mfana kaChisa ningangijaji kwakungusathane ongene kimi yaza ngalo ukuthi ngikuthina soze ngikujaji kela ngikele unjalo kodwa-ke lapha waphoma nsiyakhulu mfowethu hayi man kunzima lokho-ke umuntu omdala yona-ke ukuthi uvele ngabe kwapha seyibuze ekhala wabisiyela ngabe kuthiwa kungcono ngicela-ke enye yezingoma ezilandelayo ukhethile Nancy Dade Splash yiyo ngitholileyo Edson Moyo ayi
You
sithathe yo wena sithathe ingoma ke esitshale ke Edson Moyo kunjalo ke Moyo ke aya sazi mama sohamba lale njalo ezondile ke ngindaba zakho zobusela kalakatha ke yesela baba khuluma ke uthandaze ucele ke forgiveness angazi ubuya forgive lapha lele khona mama uShila Sibanda ngiyakubingelela Shila Sibanda uthi mbhala ngise-South Africa Cape Town ngifike lapha ke Cape Town umnyaka 2012 lapha sengihlala khona mina kubaba usekhaya uyagcina umuzi wethu isikhathi se-COVID sabanzima kakhulu ngoba ngehlulekile ukuya ekhaya mina ngile 36 umkami le 45 ngiyogcina umuzi ngigcineke lapha ngothola singenzi lutho ngagcina ngilingeka ngase ngikhomba lapha eSouth Africa. Unfortunately mina umuntu owayengaprevent ngazithwala ngomnyaka lwana ke oka 2021 ngabeletha ngazama ngazonke indlela ukuthi ngifihle umkami ngabe kwazi kwaba nzima ukuthi ngikhiphe isizo ngoba kwafuneka izimali njalo ngasinazela sesile 3 months ngoba ngangaboni mphoma ukuthi maybe ngama hormones omzimba lanxa ngikhulile nginje mina ngilabantwana ke abakuba umkami ekhaya so lapha ngakwazi ukuthi umuzi uyachitheka kunjena nje umntwana ongamzala ngasethi ngiyamthini ngilaye lo mntwana lapha ke eSouth Africa umnyaka 2022 ngigijimile 2 years ekhaya ngamgcinisa komunye unkazana ntangigcinile umntwana ngafeka ukuthi ubaba ngabona ukuthi sengilo umntwana lo uyakhula ngiyamthanda so abaningi bantu ukuthi ngimgive out for adoption manje ngiyesaba ngoba ngiyazi umkhano we've got a connection indaba yanhlupha chisa le kodwa lo muzi wami mkhulu kakhulu muhle kakhulu ukuthi uchitheke so ngizagcina umntwana for adoption ngomnyaka ozayo ka 2023 sesikhona ke usitshela ukuthi umnikile yini adoption yini ngasoze ngikhohle konke lokho indaba ye COVID ungixolele umsakazi ngicela kenye ingoma uthe ufuna lana ethi intaba ezikude kaThisha Zusa nansi ayitshenda ka Eva madoda shayize mithe ifihle gcini icatshile ibelethi indoda engakwazi amadoda ingoma evela ke kuThisha Nzuza ingoma ethi indaba ezikuthezi uma sithi ngizofika ngizokubona wethemba lami ku-album lana ke woza ye 2000 yahlupha kakhulu uhlelo ngisakhumbula somile siya emaphethelweni lingakhohlwa ukuthi sikhona phana ke patapata bangani bami every day of the week libukela amabhora libukela uManchester United bedliwa khona phana teams zabo Klein ihlala libukela ama-TV ama-big screens siyalinxusa ke patapata amabhendi atsha njalo so asihlanganeni khona siye phambili ke sempethe ka Bratoots kunjani Bratoots wena ke nguke ucela thunja lethu ke namhlanje emsakazweni siyakubingelela I wish ngawusemsakazweni sikwa YouTube la kodwa wenza chisa siyabonga kakhulu ke Bratoots uBratoots ethi ke mina ke ngikhumbula ke umnyaka ka 2015 ngikule kakubi ke fana ka chisa ngithi ngilele kwenye room ke unkosikazi wami ngizwe ukuthi ke kulomuntu olele la I was bedridden ngingakwanisi ukusukuma nxa ngimbiza athi lathi zibe kuthiwa ke nguse memeze se ngimuzwe ukuthi ke kukhona umuntu alele la ke babe ngasafihli la lo ndoda ngilapha ke eSouth Africa abuya zongithethisa athi ufunani mina bengibanjwe umkhuhlane wecancer athi ngidla ke emzimbeni ke sungishaye ke wavadlaza unyawo lwami kodwa into ekhona ke abakithi bakhona ngoba omunye umuntu owabona ngusisi ke ongumthando wamagama engimlandelayo wadinga lo umuntu wabuya endlini khona ngale ke wanginika umuthi wokunatha wafaka omunye ke edlondeni laphana ngongani ngiyongloyile chisa ngaqalisa ungani ngiyaphika amadokotela ayesentshela ukuthi ngu-stage 4 kuthi wana ke sendlungiselele ukuyakufa okuyiko kwathabisa unkosikazi wami silamakhombi athwalayo transport cross-border kuye Zimbabwe kodwa lo mama ngibesengenzela ke izimanga elana amadoda phansi kwami ngaphika komangalisa usisi wathi uzahlala lami endlini ukuze anginese kwamzondisa ke umakoti wakhe kwaungamchazi kakhulu lokho ngoba kwakusitshela ijaha lakalisabuyi so uthengisile lapha ngabuyela ngadinga ebantwini ukuthi uhamba njani ngangena ngabe ngitshela ukuthi ke unkosikazi wakhe usebenza labanye ke ku business yona leyo kuthwala ezimota yibaba kucuphileyo hayi ke umuntu wenkosi wathi ngingabisela lokho kushaya kwavala baba ngitalale ngokuthula ke uMagumede lapha lele khona kodwa wayefuna ukubulala ka into izidlele yedwa ngoba ngiyefuna ukungibulala yimi Bratoots ngilapha eSouth Africa ama-business ami ahamba mnandi yena umama sowafa lamadoda ke wonke yona lana kwabuyela kubo ngicela ke ingoma lethi bambelela ngoba ngabambelela ngasila bakethi siyabonga kakhulu ke Bratoots bakuthandela amadlozi akhe ngibongela lokuhlala machelela igama lawo ngiEzechisa Sibanda bambelela sivala ke namhlanje sithi lisale
Jula jula, oh mamele, oh amogola, oh jungu waka, oh jula jula, oh mamele, oh amogola, oh jungu waka, oh naji waka, oh siti waka, oh naji waka, oh wakiseba, oh enambela, oh amogota. Waka, oh honey waka. waka, oh Tumbelaka, oh Sweetie waka, oh Lovey waka, oh Honey waka, oh Sweetie waka, oh Chula Chula, oh Mamele, oh Wanokota, oh Sweetie waka.
Waka, oh Honey waka, oh Waki Shiva.